Okay guys, I sold the Tacoma. Went out and bought this. I bought a daily too. I bought a Ford Fusion, but for a camper and expo rig that I'll build this 2001 24 valve Cummins single cab long bed. It's a pretty beat up old work truck, but should be a good rig. It's pretty much stock except for intake and exhaust. It's got a 4-inch straight pipe, Banks intake. Pretty much gonna leave it that way. I might do a new intake horn. I'm going to do a aftermarket lift pump just to protect that VP44 injection pump. I also have a lot to do to the steering. It's on a 3-inch skyjacker leveling kit. Coils, leveling coils, and the steering's pretty much shot, but the frame is pretty clean for a truck from up north. I got to address the front cab mounts on each side. Gonna weld in new cab mounts and new floor pans in that area. Selling these toolboxes. I got it for $2,500. It has 155K on it, so it's a pretty good deal. And this is what I'll be putting: either a slide-in truck bed camper, a pop top, maybe a fixed roof one. But it'll definitely haul it better than that old Tacoma I had would. So, gonna be posting a lot of videos of progress and updates on this. So, just wanted to give a channel update of what's going on and what happened to the Tacoma. But make sure you like and subscribe, and post some more videos of this soon.